Yo, what's good with y'all boys, man? So this how we starting the video off, man. It's like 1 in the morning, bruh. And, I just try to start the car. That bitch won't start. You know what I'm saying? My goofy ass left it in accessory mode and fell asleep. Like an idiot. So now the car won't start, bruh. And I'm out here, I've been out here for a little minute trying to see if I can find some people to jump my car. Nobody got jumpers. You feel me? I'm still out here trying to find somebody to jump my car, bro. You know what I'm saying? And it's 1 in the morning, bro. I literally got up and, you know what I'm saying, I heard the car clicking and ticking and shit. And I seen like the lights flickering. You feel me? The lights kept flickering as if it's a dead battery, you feel me? So, yeah, I'm cooked right now. But, hopefully we find somebody. And this gas station I just came from, they said they have jumpers. They get jumpers. They get jumpers in the morning, early in the morning, like 9 o'clock. Well, later in the morning, 9 o'clock. Bro, I done asked like 5-6 people with trucks, bro. Bro, if you a truck owner, bro, and you ain't got no jumpers, bro, you shouldn't be driving a truck. Don't get me wrong, I should have jumpers my damn self. You know what I'm saying? Y'all could cook me as much as y'all want, sure, I get it. But bro, you drive a big ass truck. You know what I'm saying? You drive a truck. This is Texas, bro. You know what I'm saying? I would expect you to have jumpers. Like, I never met nobody who drive a truck or who's like had an SUV that didn't have jumpers. And like I said, y'all could cook me because I'm one of them. And I'm finna get some jumpers today because that shit is crazy. But yeah, the car jammed. That bitch stuck like Chuck. And I'm looking for somebody who got some jumpers, who might drive a truck. Hopefully I could come across a truck driver that do got some jumpers and he could jump this bitch because my shit cooked. Very unfortunate way to start the video, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna pick up the camera, give y'all an update if I find somebody, and if not, you know what I'm saying, we just have to wait till the morning, and then hopefully by then somebody's able to come around and actually jump our shit. So yeah. Okay, so I just found this Planet Fitness. It's a 24/7 one right across the street from where our car is. I'm gonna go back to the car and check if any fuses are blown, because if any fuses are blown, there should be some replacements for those said fuses. They give you like 1 spare replacements for those said fuses. So I'm gonna definitely see if any fuses are blown. If any of the fuses are blown, I'm gonna change out the fuse and replace it. And then, you know what I'm saying, I don't know if she left the key fob. I don't know if she left the key fob inside the car. I mean, the shit dead, that bitch not going nowhere, so it is what it is, right? But I don't know if she left the key fob inside the car. I'm gonna definitely go in there and check and see. And if the key fob's inside the car, then, I'm gonna check the fuses, and then I'm gonna see what that does for the car and see if that turns it on. If not, then it is what it is. But so far right now, the car is like, I'm literally jumping the road, bro. As y'all can see, I'm just jumping this bitch. No cap. No fucks given. The road empty. It's early in the morning. Man, it is what it is. But I'm finna go see if we can, I'm gonna see what this fuse is talking about. I'm gonna see if it's blown or not. And then, yeah. We're gonna see these bitches blown, man. We're gonna see what it is, what really the issue is. If it's really just the battery or something, or one of the fuses is blown. Feel me? Man, the key not in the car, man. Oh my God. Okay. So now I gotta walk back over the Planet, get the key, then come back and see if the car has a fuse issue. GG's, bro. I literally just walked over here for nothing, boy. Word to bro. But I'm finna go back over there and get the key, man. GG's, bro. Okay, this is what underneath the hood look like. I'm finna get to looking for the fuse box and seeing where the fuses is and where the issue lies and things of that nature. And hopefully, it's no fuse issue and it's just the battery being dead. And we'll just have to wait until we can find somebody who is willing to jumpstart the battery, or we have to wait till that 7-Eleven over there. If y'all could see that 7-Eleven, y'all probably won't be able to see it, but that 7-Eleven over there is get some new jumpers. So that's gonna be our two options. And here's a fuse box. Here's the cover of the fuse box. Like I said, they give you extra fuses. It looked like one of the fuses has already been replaced. If I'm not mistaken, this one has already been replaced. So there might really be an issue with one of these fuses. Hopefully not. I hope it's not one of these fuses, bro. Because if it's one of these fuses, we're low-key fucked. But it looked like this one has already been used, bro. That's not good. It's not good at all. Fuck. That's not good at all. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna see if it's that one. Hopefully not, bro. I'm hoping it's not. If I'm being honest, I hope it's not. And hopefully it's just this this battery needs to be juiced up, and that's about it. Because if it's this one, I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucked. I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucked. So I'm finna see what it is. We finna get the pulling and seeing if there's any breaks in those wires with the circuit, and I'm gonna get back to you guys if I find any issues. Because if I'm being quite honest, I don't really check the fuse box because I'm not gonna lie, bro. I didn't want to take none of the little fuses out and accidentally lose them. And then as I can see, one of the fuses already looked like they was missing, or one of the extra fuses are already missing. So that would have been bad news, especially if I would have took that one out. I'd have been cooked. But I did look around a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It don't seem like any of those would have been the problem. I think this car is just dead, bro. If I'm being honest, I think the car is just dead. Like, it does this, but as soon as it's time to like switch the ignition on, that bitch is punished. No cap. No cap at all, you feel me? But other than that though, and then the lights is on. Like if I do this, the lights turn off. Like the lights work. You feel me? Everything work, but the trunk, dead. Everything else, dead. Yeah. So that's what it is. I mean, we just have to wait for somebody who could jump our shit and, you know, call it a day really, because either that or get some jumping cables from the 7-Eleven, get somebody to jump it, or get a portable jumper and jump our own shit, because I don't want to pull nothing out and fuck anything up, bro. If I'm being honest, I don't want to put nothing on, fuck nothing up, and I actually pull the wrong one out and I don't got no replacement for it. That'd be so cooked. But yeah, that's the limit we got. I mean, honestly, I'm gonna just wait and see what we could do. This shit won't turn over. It won't start. No juice in the battery. Accessory mode, bro. Why is that a thing? I don't know, bro. Accessory mode fucking cooked the car, bro. Fucking cooked the car. No bullshit. And I literally got up and I'm like, oh shit, this shit's clicking. I'm like, fuck, this shit might be cooked. And then, you know, I'm trying to get some orders. Some orders is dropping. Like, it's hot early in the morning. It's hot for some loot, man. It's hot for some loot, man. Feel me? The loot dropping. Can't grab no loot, man. But I mean, at least the door's still open. You know, it's still enough energy in the battery to open the doors and shit. Except for the trunk and shit. The trunk and shit cooked, bro. The seats move, the trunk don't open, but everything else moves and open, and the car don't start. G fucking G's, man. Yeah. We have an issue. Yo, what's good? So this is my update. Right now I'm at the wash house. As y'all can see, we're at the wash house. As y'all can see, so we end up getting somebody to jump the car. We end up getting somebody to help us jump at the Planet Fitness we was at earlier this morning. I want to say around like 5 in the morning. So maybe like 2-3 hours after I went to go look at the maybe like 2 or 3 hours after I went to go look at the electric unit and the few stuff, which I really didn't look at them. I mean, it was nothing really I could do. I didn't want to fuck nothing up, so I didn't really look at them. But so yeah, a few hours after that, somebody was able to come help us and jump our car, and now the car is running, it's turning on and it's driving. So that's a little update. So right now I'm just washing my clothes, getting my clothes to wash because my clothes need washing. After that, I'll probably end up working out. I'm not sure yet. I don't know when I want to start working out. If I'm being honest, bro, I don't know when I want to start working out. I probably end up going making some money, say fuck working out, and just wait until we get a spot, man. Wait till we get somewhere to lay our heads, like for sure, and then start working out. Because honestly, working out right now with the little bit of clothes I have, and you know, having that in the car all sweaty and stuff. When I work out, I like work out. I used to play ball, so like when I work out, I really work out. So I don't want like the whole joint smelling, you feel me? So yeah, man. But that's the update from that. I've been at this wash house for like maybe 30-40 minutes now. Yeah, I think about 30-40 minutes now. I've been at this wash house for about 30-40 minutes, so I'm just waiting for these. I just put my clothes in the dryer. It's probably gonna take like 30 minutes for them to dry, and then I'm gonna get up out of here. But yeah, that's an update from the situation we had this morning, man. It was very unfortunate how it happened. I wasn't expecting the car to die, like outright just die like that, but you know, it is what it is. It just died on me, and I wasn't expecting to fall asleep while I was on accessory mode like an idiot. But you know, things happen, bro. You know, you gotta look at it, keep moving forward, bro, because that's really all we can do is move forward. And you know, market open today, it's a Monday, and it's like, I want to say 11, maybe 10, maybe 10, 11. I'm not sure what time it is. I haven't looked at the time for, but market's open. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see what happened with that. Still in that trade. We gonna see what happened with that. Yo, NASDAQ be giving people belt because it's about to give me belt, and if it give me belt, I'm cool with it because I've already done looked at my stop losses and my TPs, and I already did my analysis for that. So it is what it is. On to the next, you feel me? I'm still waiting for the Solana. On to the next. So yeah, that's just a little update. That's just a little recap of what happened, man. Hopefully we don't run into no more issues. We still gotta put a new tire on. You know what I'm saying? We still gotta get a new tire. We still gotta get some oil in the car. So we still have some stuff we need to make money for, and we still have to pay the car off. So we still got some stuff we need to get done. So we're gonna be doing that. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna be trading. And you know what I'm saying, just working on being patient and staying in the game. I think my main goal is to just stay in the game. Like, I don't really care if I'm losing or winning. As long as I still have money to trade, that's all that matters, because I get better as I go. But other than that, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I'm gonna go through no more stuff. And I'm gonna pick up the video. I'm gonna pick up the camera. I'm gonna pick up the camera in the next video, man. Catch you guys in the next one. It's your boy Ski. I'll catch you on the next one.
The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking.